What if I told you there is a country in Europe where you can get world-class education, affordable fees, and amazing career opportunities? Welcome to study in Serbia. Serbia is becoming a top choice for students, offering high-quality undergraduate and postgraduate programs in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, business studies, and many more. So let's explore why Serbia could be your study destination. We have two types of programs for you guys, undergraduate and postgraduate. So the undergraduate courses are Medicine. Medicine is one of the most respected and sought after careers in the world. Serbia offers an internationally recognized medical program, following European medical standards with modern hospitals, labs, and real-time clinical exposure. The best part, the fees are much lower than private universities in India and many other countries around the world. Nursing. The demand of skilled nurses are growing worldwide, and Serbia's nursing program prepares students for careers in hospitals, clinics, and global healthcare institutions, with practical training and hands-on patient care. Pharmacy. Want to build a career in pharmaceutical science? Serbia offers a high-quality pharmacy program that covers drug development, clinical research, and pharmacology, opening doors to jobs in pharmacies, biotech companies, and hospitals. Computer engineering and electrical engineering. With the rise of AI, robotics, and automation, the computer engineering and electrical engineering courses in Serbia focuses on coding, AI, cybersecurity, and hardware design, ensuring you are job ready for the tech industries. Economics and business management. Serbia's economic and business program trains students in corporate finance, banking, and entrepreneurship, preparing them for global career opportunities. Now we head to the postgraduate programs. Bioengineering. Bioengineering is perfect for students who are passionate about medical technologies, genetic research, and biomedical devices. This program offers cutting-edge lab work and industry collaboration. Software engineering and information technology. Serbia's information technology and software engineering program covers app development, data science, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. And that gives you an edge in the global job market. Artificial intelligence. AI is the future. This program trains students in machine learning, deep learning, and data analytics, helping you secure a high-paying job in top tech companies. Development of computer games. Gaming is not just a hobby, it's a billion-dollar industry. This program teaches game design, animation, and programming, preparing you for a career in game development studios and tech firms. Financial management. From investment banking to corporate finance, this program prepares students for leadership role in global finance industries. Public health. This program focuses on epidemiology, health policies, and disease prevention, preparing students for career in public health organization and government agencies. Serbia not only provides top quality education but also provides job opportunities to credible students. Students can work part-time while studying. The postgraduate students can get jobs for up to minimum 500 euros. And also they provide global career opportunities after graduation. Many of our students find internship and full-time job in hospitals, tech companies, and financial firms, making Serbia an ideal place for education and career growth. So at the end, if you're looking for high-quality, affordable, and globally recognized education, Serbia is the place to be. We at Study in Serbia are here to guide you at every step of the way. For more information about the courses, colleges, and credit scores, you can check out our website www.studyinserbia.com, or you can contact us via these numbers on the screens.